Dad, I open the treatment. Yeah.
Could you start? Oh my god. Do you see that bitch right there? It's taking forever.
Actually, let's take this again. Jasmine, put the paper away and please the tooth.
What?
Jasmine, put the paper away from the ground and Verla, clean the poop.
How about you clean the poop?
No. Get back to the cleaner.